Hey guys, Miss Perry here in my kitchen. So this week for science, we're learning about energy transfer. And the DIY project that they showed you guys was how to make your own s'mores maker so that the energy from the sun can transfer into the box and heat up your s'more for you. So that sounded like a lot of fun. I love s'mores. Anything that has to do with chocolate, I will eat. So I actually wanted to try to make this and see if it's going to work. They said you needed a box, a piece of construction paper, some aluminum foil and plastic wrap, scissors and tape, and a sunny day. Got it. Alright, so I am going to start putting it all together. Alright, I have my s'mores maker. Now I just need my actual s'more. Now, don't make fun of me, but I do not have graham crackers. I am actually going to be making a s'more using a hamburger bun because I ate all of the graham crackers a few days ago and forgot to buy more. So I'm going to make a s'more sandwich. This will probably be delicious. I'll probably spoil my dinner tonight, but oh well. Okay, so you need your graham crackers or your wheat-based things. You need your chocolate. I got this dark chocolate because I love dark chocolate. And this is specifically chocolate for melting. So if you ever want to make like fondue or anything, my best friend actually got me this chocolate for Christmas because I have a fondue maker. And I haven't used all of it yet because she got me like 4 bags of it. But I'm going to use my special melting chocolate. This is the perfect time to use it. I do have normal marshmallows. Thank goodness. There's going to be something normal about my s'more. And since I'm using a hamburger bun, I'm going to put 2 marshmallows on there. Okay. So I've got my weird s'more. Put the bun on top. I'm going to kind of squeeze it together. Oh my goodness, all the chocolate's falling out. I'm going to put it in my s'more maker. Lift the plastic wrap, put it on the paper. All right. Let's take this outside now and see how it does. Goose, you can't come outside. No, there's no gate. You can't come outside. Be right back. Okay. It's really like not hardcore sunny today. I should have done this yesterday when it was like 70 degrees outside. So if this doesn't work today, I'm going to try it again tomorrow. It's also like 4 o'clock. The sun is its strongest, my friends, at 12 p.m. So I should have done this like 4 hours ago. But this is my s'more maker. Let's see how it does. Hey guys, so what did you think of those pictures? Pretty disappointing, right? Yeah, I was disappointed too. It doesn't look the greatest. This definitely does not look like something I would want to eat. So I am actually just gonna throw this away. Yep. Yeah, so I definitely did not want to keep that stuff. It seemed a little bit unsanitary to me to eat since it was sitting outside for a few hours uncovered. You guys saw the video or the pictures. So I guess I'll have to try again next time. I'm not gonna give up. I still want to get my s'more out of this. I'm gonna keep the same box, but I threw all the other stuff away. I can just switch it out. That's definitely gonna be more sanitary. So some things I need to consider for next time are I need more solar energy and more thermal energy. So it needs to be sitting in the sun for longer to get more solar energy, and it needs to be a much warmer day so that the heat gets trapped in that box easier to get my thermal energy. Also, I need to make sure that my clear wrap actually stays on the top next time. So I'll put some more tape around the top next time. Hopefully I will also have graham crackers next time. Hopefully, but who knows when we're all going to the grocery store these days, right? Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys try it at home. It's fun even when it doesn't work out, because that means you just get to do another experiment to get it right. Have a great rest of your day. Stay healthy and stay safe. And ooh, I slammed that down really fast. But I will see you when I see you guys. Bye.